Hi all, this is Zigshot. Okay, this segment I'm gonna deal with Fist Blaster, which I have been doing for a long time. Okay, because there's a lot of calibration involved, so it's gonna take some time to explain out everything. Now bear with me a while. This is what I did for my crossbow. I basically removed the crossbow arms. So what you see is a very sleek blaster. Very sleek. I also took the trouble to, you can see here and here, I got myself an acrylic plate, cut out these two pieces and bolt them down while using this bungee string. This bungee string itself is very stretchy. Wait, let me find it. See this? Hear the boom 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 sounds like some kind of a musical instrument, like a cello. Yeah, it's like some kind of a cello string. I'm using it for expression. I know cello string doesn't sound like that, but you get the idea. Look at this. This thing is so stretchy. But the point is, this bungee string I will later write down on the link below and also in the screen caption where to get this. I got it from Amazon. The brand's called Pepperell 4mm bungee cord, if I didn't remember wrongly. This thing is ideal for modding the crossbow. Look at it. Look at it, how slick it is. Okay, on to the details. What I did is, I used the stock elastic cord, measured it up about the same length as the bungee string, cut, burn the both ends. They will fray, so you need to use a lighter and burn out the ends. Tie a dead knot into the holes, go it around, and then bolt it down. But take note, this is not the end of the process yet. You still have to calibrate. You have to tension. In my terms, is that the knot itself, whether you to move closer or further away, so that you can tension this ideally. Different people have different preference, so you might need to change the tension back and forth. Okay, this is what happened if you over tension it. It happened to me once. This is the dart that will be loaded inside. What happened is, if you tie too much tension, the thing actually slices the dart lengthwise and jam itself here, essentially destroying your darts. Or the string, it goes underneath and jam itself like that. So this is what happens if you over tension it. So you got to take some time, spend some time to tension to that sweet spot that you need it for your blaster. Another thing I discovered is that too much use of that dart, okay, this is the downside of it. It comes with it. It's a package deal. You can't have a good thing without a bad thing. This dart itself, as compared to a spring blaster or maybe a flywheel, this thing does go through a considerable, you will get, or rather go through a considerable amount of stress. What happens is, this bungee wire string will hit the dart constantly, whack, 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 to the point that you end up, if you see it from time to time, you end up having segments. Those are not segments, those are wrinkles. The darts be hit, compress, then again retain back to its reverts back to its shape again. So imagine you keep doing that, bang, 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 bang. This dart's gonna be flaccid. You'll get tenderized. I'm using this for lack of words, but you get the general idea. But there are ways to counter that, at least to lessen the dart wear and tear. This is what I did. Okay, I'm not too sure whether the camera can see it. What I did is I used masking tape or sticky tape, cover the end of the darts from here all the way to here. Okay, the masking tape's width is about this wide, so cover it up, something like wrapping up a roll of cigarette. So this tube formed now, in a way, reinforces the strength of this dart. So it will be less likely to deform. So you get whack, 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 whack. It's less likely to deform because right now it's a stiff tube. So of course you do leave some of the area as a sort of crumple zone, so they can absorb some of the impact onto the other player, or if you hit somebody with it. If you're not, there's no crumple zone, the whole energy of this dart will get dumped onto the guy, and the guy will probably get blue black or get a welt. Just to be sure. At least that's the general idea goes. Other than that, well, I'll show you how it works. Okay, this is a fresh dart. It's okay right now. No problem. Along with the one that I wrapped in masking tape. Okay, I aim here. Okay, I have a little pillow there. Works. No problem. The only thing is, to each his own, the tension on the bungee string. So that's the only thing you might be, how I say, not that easy have a distinct or definite answer. You have to tune to the different people preference for each blaster. Okay. This is Xshot signing off. Bye bye.